Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable chat boost feature of your Turtle 700 headphones. To do this, you have to just click on this button to enable or disable the chat boost feature. As you can see, that's very simple, and you can also link this feature to the button. I'm talking, of course, about this mode button. It's located just right here. So when you switch the button to the chat boost, right now, take a look, you can click on this button that is located right here. So click on it once to turn it off, or second time to turn it on. And we get two methods how to adjust the chat boost. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.